Hello, everyone. How do you ask for help in English? What would you say in these everyday situations? When you ask someone to go shopping for you, oh no, the fridge is almost empty. I don't have time to go shopping today. I'll ask George to help me. George, can you do me a favor? George, can you do me a favor?
Of course, dear. What do you need? Of course, dear. What do you need?
We're out of milk and eggs. Could you go to the supermarket for me? We're out of milk and eggs. And could you go to the supermarket for me?
No problem. What's on the shopping list? No problem. What's on the shopping list?
Milk, eggs, apples, and please don't buy chocolate again. Milk, eggs, apples, and please don't buy chocolate again.
Chocolate? I wasn't even thinking about chocolate. Chocolate? I wasn't even thinking about chocolate.
George, that's exactly what you said last week. George, that's exactly what you said last week.
Ha ha, this time will be different. Ha ha, this time will be different.
We'll see. We'll see. When you need to ask for directions.
Oh no, my phone is dead. I can't find the park. I'll ask someone for directions. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure, what's wrong? Sure, what's wrong?
I'm looking for Central Park. Could you tell me the way? I am looking for Central Park. Could you tell me the way?
Of course, see that big blue building? Of course, see that big blue building? Walk past it, the park is on your left. Walk past it, the park is on your left.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. You're welcome. Have a nice day.
When you need to ask a store assistant for help.
Finally, I'm at the supermarket. But where are the eggs? I'd better ask someone.
Excuse me, could you help me? I can't find the eggs. Excuse me, could you help me? I can't find the eggs.
They're right behind you, sir. They're right behind you, sir. Oh, that explains a lot. Oh, that explains a lot.
Can I help you with anything else? Can I help you with anything else?
Yes, please. Where can I find the apples? Yes, please. Where can I find the apples?
Aisle 3, near the entrance. Aisle 3, near the entrance.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Perfect. Thank you very much.
My pleasure, sir. My pleasure, sir.
When you need to ask for a ride home.
These bags are so heavy. Oh, is that Paul? Maybe I can ask for a ride. Hi, Paul. What a surprise. Oh, hi, George. That's a lot of groceries. Do you need a hand? Thanks. That would be great here. Are you going home? Who? Would it be okay if I got a ride with you? Of course. Hop in. Of course. Hop in. Thanks. These bags are killing me. Could you open the trunk for me? Sure. Go ahead. You are a lifesaver, Paul. Thank you so much. So, did you get everything on the list? Milk, egg, apples, everything's here. And 1 chocolate bar. George, didn't Linda tell you not to buy chocolate? Please, don't tell her. Your secret is safe.
Welcome back. Did you get everything?
Of course. Milk, eggs, apples, everything on the list.
George, what's this?
It followed me home.
Oh, George, promise me this is the last one. Remember what the doctor said. Less sugar, no more chocolate.
Yes, dear. I promise. You're the best.
Today, we learned different ways to ask for help. Can you do me a favor? Use this with your family or close friends. George, can you do me a favor? Could you? Use this when you want to sound more polite.
I'm looking for Central Park. Could you tell me the way?
Could you help me? I can't find the eggs.
Would it be okay if? Use this when you ask for permission politely.
Who? Would it be okay if I got a ride with you?
Now it's your turn. Imagine your husband is watching TV. You want him to take out the trash. Which way do you usually use? A. Can you do me a favor? B. Could you take out the trash, please? Comment A or B to let us know.